Hi guys. Today I'm going to answer a question that I'm sure you've all asked many times. Can I go to the dollar store to buy auto parts? Yes, you can. I decided that I needed to get some sunglasses so I could be like a real YouTuber. So, what about that? Nah. No? Not bad. Let's see. These look pretty good. Yeah? Oh, wait. Right here. There we go. Now I can get down in the corner and say, don't buy a Nissan! Don't buy a Nissan! Don't buy a Nissan! Perks and features. Nice. I'm gonna do this down from the corner, I guess. Behind me, right back there, you might be able to see my garage chart. On it, it has all 7 of my cars. And across from it, it has different columns with green and red. Green is good to go. Red is needs work. So let's take a look. So you can see that down the left side is a descending list of all 7 of my cars. And the top one is the most loved. The bottom one would be the most likely to get sold soon. Then across are the qualifiers, and also in a descending order of importance. The most important being, can my wife drive it today? I share these cars with my wife, and she still works. I'm retired, but I have to make sure she has a car that she can drive to work every day. So preferably, all of those would be green. But as you can see today, there's only 3. So if the car she's driving, today she's in the Ep5, but if it breaks, I have to give her something else. So I'm just going to see where this is going. Everything needs a little work except the Ep5, and surprisingly, the 911 doesn't look too bad. But actually, we should get back to the original question. What were we... something about t-shirts? Sorry, you can't buy them. My wife had it made custom for me. If you want one, you'll have to get one from your wife. Anyway, the original question. Dollar store. What can I get at the dollar store? Well, today, I got sunglasses. I got 4 pair of sunglasses. And I got a really cool tie-dye steering wheel cover. And I got a box of these Armor All Ultra Shine wheel cleaning wipes. So there's 16 of them in here. And they cost $1. So how can you go wrong? I think we should try them out. Now you might ask yourself, why would these Armor All wheel cleaning wipes be at the dollar store? And the first thing I notice is you can't really see how to open them. It doesn't really say how to open them. So your initial idea would be to tear this open, but then it's got wet wipes, so they'd all dry out after using just one. But if you look really closely, well, let's see, real close. Oh, there's a peel up there. Okay, so I bet they had a lot of people complaining about that. They could have labeled it a little bit better, but hey, their loss is our gain. Let's go try this thing out. Okay, here we have a pretty dirty rim. Let's see what it does. Oh. Yeah. I'm not convinced it's doing anything more than a regular cloth with Windex would do, but okay, so there you have it. You can buy auto supplies at the dollar store. Yes, you can. Hell yeah, dollar store. That's what I'm talking about. Well, we really should probably wrap this up. You know what? I need to figure out something to do here. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to do something to make this chart look better. And I'm going to do something for the Z4. I'm going to... maybe I'm going to turn this one right here. We'll turn that one green. So we'll clean the Z4. And then there's another problem it has. Besides being dirty as hell, it has a torn seat. It's got kind of messed up leather on the bolster, pretty common stuff. I want to try to fix all that stuff. But tomorrow, I want to try and fix this. The front bumper has a big section of paint missing, and it just drives me nuts. I really like this stupid car. That big blemish there just really bugs me. So I think tomorrow we're going to try and repaint this front bumper. I'm going to do it with an aerosol can, and I think I'm going to try it with a brush. A brush? And if that works out, maybe we'll even fix this little dent, wherever it is. I'd like to fix that dent too. That would be cool. Yeah, that would be cool. So we're going to do that tomorrow. And what I've already done is I already have the paint. I went to a local auto paint supply store and they mixed me up a can that is original equipment color, and they had little chips, and they let me take them out and lay them in the sun right on the car and pick out the exact one that'll match perfectly. So that's the base coat. And then they sold me this lovely stuff, which is a 2-part clear coat, which should make it all shiny and nice as long as we've done our preparation. And then the brush. A brush? You can ring my bell, ring my bell, my bell.